Space. Now, for some people, space may seem like a whole vacuum of nothing, but today I'll be going further into what space really is and what the people are going to do on the Artemis 2 mission that launched 3 days ago. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to MT Facts. Now, like everywhere else in space, there's no air, no food, no water, there's nothing. Well, except for planets and stars. But that's exactly why you need a well-crafted spaceship. And that's exactly what this spaceship is.
Let me introduce you to Orion. Orion is a one-of-a-kind spacecraft that is built just for that.
Now, don't get me wrong, the Orion spaceship is an extremely well-crafted piece of engineering, truly. But it has some flaws to it. And not like engineering flaws, some other flaws.
Now, the flaws with Artemis 2 is that now there are 4 pilots going. Now, that might not seem like a bad thing, and it really isn't, but as you can see, it's kind of crammed in there, so they don't have a lot of space to move around in. Now, we put the spaceship of Artemis 2 on a grid, and it's only 5 meters wide. It is an upgrade based on Apollo's mission's 3.9 meters wide. But you know, they're going there, kicking around, having fun. But you know, if you go up there, you better like your roommates. The good thing is that it's only for 10 days, so you won't have to be up there for that much. Now let's meet the Artemis 2 crew. We have Commander Reed Wiseman, pilot Victor Glover, and 2 mission specialists, Christina Kush and Jeremy Hansen. Oh, and also this guy who's looking down on the Earth beautifully. Wait, no, that's me. Wait, what? And did I mention that Christina Koch is the first woman to ever do this mission? That's right, on all the Apollo missions it was only 3 men. Crazy, right? Now, let's see how the Orion spacecraft will move. On day 1, it will launch. Oh, look at me, I'm little Orion spaceship, I'm going. They're gonna need to remain in Earth's atmosphere for a little bit to do some tests. On day 3, it will be about halfway, but now it will be closer to the moon than it is to Earth. Now this is the really fun part. On day 4, they will be at the moon, and this is what they'll see. This is what the Earth looks like from the moon. I know, terrifying, right? But also extremely breathtaking. This truly does show us that we are just a blue dot in an almost infinite abyss, which the boundaries of will never reach. Anyway, it's time to get back to the video now. After almost 50 years, humanity is finally returning.
That's right, after almost 50 years, people are finally going back to the moon, and they're actually thinking on staying. And I mean not like 6 hours, I mean like a couple of months.
You did not hear me wrong. These Artemis missions are planned so people can finally stay and colonize on the moon.
Now, the Artemis 2 mission will be taking a slightly longer route than the Apollo 13 or the Apollo 8 mission.
And that's because everyone on Orion Artemis 2 will be a record holder for the furthest people away from Earth.
Now, here's the really cool part of the Artemis missions.
After the Orion spacecraft splashes down on Earth, the capsule will actually be reusable for other spacecrafts.
That's right. That means the Artemis 3 and Artemis 4 mission will have the same Orion spaceship as Artemis 2. Now, I've been talking a lot about these Artemis missions, but I want to take a quick peek at something else.
Voyager 1. Voyager 1 is a man-made spaceship that was built solely for space exploration. Voyager 1 already passed by Jupiter and Saturn and even Pluto. Voyager 1 to this day is still the furthest away from Earth man-made object.
Now, currently, Voyager 1 is extremely far.
But here's the question. Just how far is Voyager away from Earth?
If we were to send information to the computer up on Voyager 1, it would take approximately
24 hours. Now that may not seem like a lot, but here's the thing. The data that's being transferred from the Earth to Voyager and back is at around light speed, and light speed is this fast. So that means that it's taking one light day for the data from Voyager to come back to Earth.
Now, that might also not seem like a lot, but you must understand, this distance between Earth and Voyager 1 right now in miles is
15.9 billion. You could put 638,554 Earths in its path and it would still be longer.
Thank you so much for watching this video. It would mean a literal world to me if you subscribed and liked. And you know how NASA always at the end of every one of their videos says, subscribe for more space? I'm gonna say, subscribe for more facts.